Let's get right into it. Today's video, like I said, we are talking about a Shein wig. This is what I got. They also come with a little label. Tells you how to return it and stuff if you wanted to return it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys because I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I've been waiting for this wig, so I'm so happy it came in. So I actually got this from another YouTuber. I watch her videos like religiously and I'm gonna put her link up here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So I seen her review on this wig and I was like, oh my God. I was like, where did you get that? And I was like, Shein. I was like, hold up. Shein got real hair wigs. So that's why I was like, literally, this is a one-stop shop. But let's get right into it. Let me show you guys the color of this unit. Straight out the package, this is exactly how it looks. It doesn't come with any combs or anything that they give you. You know how they give you the little toothbrush and the wig cap. Mine just came straight the wig by itself. And I'm trying to get this thing off. Hold up. Okay, straight out the packaging. So you can see it comes with, you know, your normal stuff. You got your little thing to form the wig. You got a little foam in here. So you can go ahead and take that out. This is a 4x4. So it is not a full lace closure. It is just right in the front. So I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So I'm like, yes. It looks pretty transparent, but we're gonna see about that. I mean, you know, look at my skin color, look at the lace. So we'll go ahead and get into this, but look, she is beautiful. Like, oh my God. I got her in 12 inches. Not sure what the other lady got hers in, but I got mine in 12 inches and it was super affordable. It was only like, I think the 12-inch one was like 90. And then if you shop on Shein itself, you get like coupons and stuff like that, or a little 15% off and stuff like that. But you know, I used Homegirl's code to get this discount. So I'm in love. It also comes with lace in the back. You've got 2 combs right here. Sorry for sniffling. You got 2 combs right here. So yes, let's get this bad boy on. Let's see what she's looking like without doing anything to it, okay? Oh my God, look how cute. So it is a middle part. Like I said, 4x4. So once we cut this lace off, we can see what she's looking like. But I was absolutely looking for a wig like this with the highlights and the color in it. I absolutely think it is gorgeous. Like, this wig is serving scalp already. I didn't even put no makeup or anything in the part. So I'm excited. Of course, the sides are gonna be out. That's where you're gonna have to do your sideburns and stuff like that. But other than that, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with this. I mean, the wind's blowing, whatever, you know. So it's gonna be a little woo. But yes. Let's turn around so you can see what it's looking like in the back. So I'm assuming you can wet her and stuff like that, flat iron her. So we are gonna put her to the test, honey, because I wanna see what this hair can really do. But oh my gosh. All right, let's get right into this. So right here, guys and gals, we're just gonna go ahead and cut that lace off. Do be careful when you're cutting the lace because there's these 2 little tabs in the front that you do need to cut off. And if you cut them off wrong, your wig's gonna fall apart. Okay, so we don't want that. Also has lace in the back, so we're gonna go ahead and cut that. But girl, I was super excited about this wig. Like, you couldn't tell me this wig is not fire. Like, for $80, I'm just saying, Shein, they did the damn thing. Like, Shein is definitely coming through with this wig. Human hair wigs, like, oh my goodness, this is gonna be my go-to, like, for vacations, for like, you name it, everything. So right here, of course, you want to make sure you tack that sucker down. Make sure you got your got-to-be. Lay those edges. And honey, you are good to go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. You are out the door. Look at me, I'm lost for words. I absolutely think this is so cute. Like, I don't even know what to say. And it comes already with that wet look. Like, look at this. This is out the package. Like, it looks like it's wet already. Like, I really don't want to mess it up. Well, you run your fingers through it, of course. I'm going to mess it up now because you run your fingers through it. The more you run your fingers through it, the bigger it's going to get. But I definitely laid this down. definitely. And then, you know, you shape it to your face. Maybe you want to pull a little thing back here. I mean, the bad part about it is I don't believe you got much parting space. You got a little bit. So if you did want it to do something to the side, you definitely can. You just can't go too far over because you will be showing track. And we don't want to be giving tracks. We want to be giving scalp. I'm super in love. I actually like it as a side part. So I think that's what I'm going to be going with. And that's what I'm going to be doing. I really don't feel the need to have to put anything. I'm trying to get close so you guys can see that, but I really don't feel the need to have to put any concealer right up in here, but I will for your pleasure. All I did literally was just use a little bit of makeup that I had left over on my makeup brush from doing my makeup this morning. So this is literally what was on there, like absolutely nothing really, and I just dabbed at it. But yes, you can definitely put more if you'd like. I mean, you know, the choice is yours. And the good thing about this color is that if you're my color, you're my skin color, and your color is looking like the color of the hair, it blends right in. So it doesn't matter how messy you get, you know, putting it on the hair. Let's say you got some on the hair, it's okay. And of course we're gonna brush that out because we can't be having crispies right up in here. You know what I'm saying? We can't be having all that. But this is just the overall unit. So I'm gonna go ahead and wet her. And we are going to see what she looks like. I can't wait. So we're doing straight water on one side. Ooh. Okay, sis. Do not ask me why I chose to do a nude lip today because it's definitely giving the color of my skin. What I need to make it pop is some lip gloss, but that's not what we're talking about right now. So we're just going to stick to the hair for this video. But I said, let me do straight water and see what this is feeling like. It doesn't have a smell out of the packaging, so I like that. I'm literally just trying to wet the hair. It does have shedding. It's not too much, but it does have shedding. But come on, anybody's hair sheds, you know what I mean? Hair sheds from the top of your head. So if you got a unit and it's doing good and it ain't shedding that much, I say go for it. So I did pay for this with my own coin. This is not sponsored. Okay, I didn't get this for free. So it definitely came out my pocket. But look, this is the amount of shedding that you get. Very minimal. It's not bad. I mean, just for running your fingers through your hair with no product and just straight water, that's amazing. So let's go ahead and get some product on the other side. So this side is water, the other side will be product, and I'll be back. So this side, I'm just gonna use my olive oil mousse wetting settings squirter thingy. Cause this is what I use. I use like a foam mousse. I don't really use mousse. This is what I used when I was in Houston on my wig, the black unit. You guys absolutely love that. So I'll put a picture up somewhere. But yeah, everybody was loving that. I got so many compliments on my hair. Oops, didn't mean to put it on that side. Just trying to get rid of it. All right. All right, so I'll put a little bit more up at the top so you can see what's going on here. But yeah, either way, I'm gonna put some of this in my hair tonight. So yes, your girl's going out tonight finally, because I don't go nowhere. I'll be staying home doing absolutely nothing. So I mean, I do work, but you know, of course your days off. Do you want to go out? Do you really? So yes, it's the same result, literally almost the same result. The water actually gives it a more heavier weight, it seems like. So what I would say doing is wetting it and then going ahead and applying the mousse, which is going to give it an even more like bouncy. But this is feeling great. Let's look at the back. Look at the back, y'all. I haven't wet it, but look at the back. This is the dry curls. This is the water curls. And this, my darling, is the mousse. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, it is giving scalp honey. You just go ahead and add some more foundation of your color. So I got this one curl that wants to be in my eye. I just use my brush, my little Sailor Moon collection. So I take my foundation. My foundation is actually Il Makiage. I showed you guys a video of this before. So I did another unit, one I got from AliExpress or whatever. But yeah, the Il Makiage is what I've been using. It's a perfect match. And we just go ahead and put some of that in there. So I don't really pump a lot. I actually just use a little excess that's out on the outside, but I have to get a little bit out first. So hopefully not squeezing. too much. Oh, yep, squeeze too much. Okay. Well, anyways, I just got a little bit on the brush, but I did make a little bit of a mess. But that's all right, honey. That's all right. You can get all those parts with that. So we'll go ahead and part it out. Space it out. I actually like to like smooth it out on there. You see what I mean? You don't want too much product on there. And then just go ahead and place it in the part. And then you're gonna fan it out. Remember guys, I'm doing this in front of the camera. I'm actually not in a mirror right now, so I'm doing this straight from the camera. But you guys get the gist, and then of course it's gonna go right into your foundation. So your foundation and everything looks flawless, you feel me? So I'm loving that. Loving that. Look at that part. Look at that part. But I'm loving this hair, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Let me know if you guys bought this, if you didn't buy it, what you thought about it. Is this something you would wear on your head? Because I'm loving this. $80, you can't go wrong. I like this a lot, like a lot. Like I can't wait to wear it. But yes, I'm gonna go, I can't even talk. I'm gonna let you guys go, and I'll see you in my next video. So stay tuned for more, because I've got more coming. Peace.